Okay, so we're gonna show you what Dragon's Dogma is all about.
And there you go. That's it.
Throwing people off cliffs. And animal riding!
Yeah. My stat.
Oh god,
Jesus.
oh god.
Yeah. So magical.
Wonderful.
What the shit?
Huh?
Wait, we're
Oh.
supposed to be talking right now.
Oh. Oh no.
Go, Steve, go. 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 Onward.
Oh no.
Yeah.
What the hell?
I know what to do with this guy.
No, no.
I think he's like unconscious over there.
This pass is a letter for every man found weak.
Goodbye.
No man can save from where they were
What are you doing?
I have to go save him.
I'm deaf.
Oh,
Goodbye.
wait, what?